Yes, f of x is given as sin square x plus cosec square x. Okay, options are given. F of x is less than 1. F of x is equal to 1. F of x lies between 1 and 2. And f of x is always more than or equal to 2, which is the right option. Come on, partner, try this. So amazing one now. See, sin square x plus cosecant square x. You can write f of x equal to, this is called sin square x and this is called 1 by sin square x, right? Now you think, this is called a square and this is called 1 by a square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, come on, tell me now. Come on, please. A square plus 1 by a square is always greater than or equal to 2. See, the sin x value, if I take 1, what is the sin square x value? 1. So this becomes 1 plus 1 by 1, that is called 1 plus 1, that is called 2, right? Suppose if I take sin x equal to 1 by 2, sin x equal to 1 by 2, then what is sin square x? 1 by 4. It is 1 by 4 plus 4 man. So it's more than 4, correct? So minimum is what? Not 2. Minimum is 2, so it's more than 2. 2 and above what? 2 and above is the answer. More particular, x square plus 1 by x square is always greater than or equal to 2 if x is positive mark. Sorry, rather x plus 1 by x, okay? X plus 1 by x, இது வந்து நீங்க sin square x equal to a எடுத்துக்கோங்க, okay? Sin square x equal to a, now a is positive, right? Because sin square x is always positive, right? Greater than not negative, right? So if x is positive, x plus 1 by x is more than or equal to 2. Similarly, a plus 1 by a is more than or equal to 2. Same thing here. This is called a, this is called 1 by a. Therefore, a plus 1 by a is always more than or equal to 2 if a is positive. A is definitely positive. My sin square x is definitely positive. Do you agree, man? Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
This is an amazing question for trigonometry. Yeah. You understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the minimum value itself is 2 mark. It can be more than 2 also. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes. அடுத்த கொஸ்டின் இன்னொரு கொஸ்டின் பாருங்க. நீங்க just for sake of 0 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. 0 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to pi. 81 sine power, 81 power sine square x plus 81 power cos square x is equal to 30. Then x equal to what, Marcus? Then x equal to what? And write the options. First option, x equal to pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 15, pi by 8. I told you the toughest questions we have. First option as right option. So what is the right option, please? Pi by 6 or pi by 3, ma. Both are correct. You put here x equal to pi by 6, na. What is sine square pi by 6, ma? That's all over. 81. Sine square pi by 6 is 1 by 4. Cos square x, cos square pi by 6 is 3 by 2. 81 means what, ma? 3 power 4 ds. 81 is 3 power 4 into 3 by 2, ma. 4, 4, 33, ma. It is 3 power root. What is this, ma? Cos pi by 6 is what, ma? Root 3 by 2, root 3 by 4, ma. This is how we can do it. But if I take pi by 3 here, sine square pi by 3 is 3 by 4, cos square pi by 3 is 1 by 4. So both pi by 6 and pi by 3 are the values of x, my dear. Spot my x. Here, ma?
Yes, sir.
Right. That with that joint. Okay. Brilliant. Second question, Parama. How beautiful. Sir, in the option in the pandringa, but how do you do it without options? Okay. Look at it. Yes. Without options, how to do this? X is from 0 to pi ma. Anywhere it could be, right? In the first quadrant or second quadrant. Doesn't matter. Sin square x and cos square x is always positive only. Anyway, shall I write this is 3 power 4 sin square x? 3
Yes,
power
sir.
4 cos square x, right? That's
Yes,
equal to
sir.
30.
Yes, sir.
This one, you can write this as 3 power 4 sin square x. 3 power 4 into 1 minus sin square x equal to 30. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Can I write this is 3 power 4 into sin square x? 3 power 4 by 3 power 4 sin square x is equal to 30. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Put this 3 power 4 sin square x as a mark. A. So this becomes a plus this also a, that's called 81 by a equal to 30. You agree?
Yes, sir.
Brilliant. But just LCM பண்ணி class multiply பண்ணா a square plus 81 equal to 30a. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? 81
Yes,
ones are 80 minus 27 and minus 3. 27 or 3. Negate it. Therefore,
Sir?
a is, yeah.
Sir, before that step, it's glaring, sir. Light.
Glaring power.
Light glaring, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, yes.
No, it is okay, sir.
Yes, pa.
Now
Is
it
it
is
okay
fine,
now?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, yes. Once you know how to solve the quadratic equation, you can break 81. Ones are 81. 81 can be broken as 27 and 3 because there is a minus 27 minus 3. Minus 27 to minus 3 is 81. Minus 27 minus 3 is minus 30. Therefore, you can negate it. You get a is either 27 or 3. Now, you know that 3 power 4, come on, look at it. 3 power 4 sine square x equal to 27. That which implies 3 power 4 sine square x equal to 3 power 3. 4 sine square x equal to 3, right? When the bases are same, powers are equal. Do you agree?
yes,
4 sine square x equal to 3. Sine square x equal to 3 by 4. Sin x equal to root 3 by 2. Plus or minus root 3 by 2. Anyway, we want sin square x. If sin square x is 3 by 4, which implies cos square x equal to 1 by 4. Yes or no? If sin square x equal sin x is root 3 by 2, x equal to what part? 60 degree.
60 degrees.
Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So, plus or minus root 3 by 2 minus. Okay? Plus or minus root 3 by 2 part. Sin x is plus or minus root 3 by 2. Anyway, sin square x cannot be negative. Sin square x is 3 by 4, cos square x is 1 by 4. This is one. You can also take 3 power 4 sin square x is 3 power 1 mark. Right? 3 is there, right? 3 able to follow. Next is 3 power 1
Yes,
because 4 is equal to 1. Sin square x equal to 1 by 4 mark. Therefore, you got sin square x equal to 3 by 4 or sin square x equal to 1 by 4. If sin square x equal to 3 by 4, cos square x equal to 1 by 4. That's all, yes. What a brilliant question. Therefore, x equal to sin square x equal to 3 by 4, sin x equal to 3 by 2, therefore x equal to pi by 6 or x equal to pi by 3 mark. Or you take this one, 1 by 4 if you take it. புரியுதமா சொல்றது?
Yes, sir.
Right. I'll speak to you later in my class on 6:30. Is it clear, ma?
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the final answer is it can be it can be either of the angles, right, sir?
Pi by 3 or pi by 6, ma? Yes.
Yes. Sir.
Yes. Tell me, sir. Tell me, Mr. Arpit, you have a question, I think?
That was my doubt, sir. Like I just wanted to clarify. I just wanted to clarify that was the final answer.
Pi by 6, yes, brilliant. Okay, good. Done, pa, please. Paranga, what a brilliant question, Paranga. How we are able to do it without method, ma. Method is always stupid, ma. Method kaga think pandradhukullave nama energy ella poidum, pa. It's just options, Paranga. First option. When the question is very tough, what will be the option? First option will be the right option. So So shall I rub it over?
Yes, sir.
A is 27, A equal to 3 mark, 27 anytime you get a sin x equal to root 3 by 2, x equal to 5 by 3. If you take 3, it's a 3 power 3, you take 3, you get 4 sin square x equal to 1 by 4, sin x equal to 1 by 2, they get 5 by 6. What a brilliant answer. See how much space is required here for doing a method mark. Without method, if you don't want a method, taking the options, please. Why the competitive exams are giving all options means you need not do a method mark. Please. You need not remember so much. Basics are enough to handle the question. If you can do by option method. Yes. Right now. Now coming to the 3.3 part. Right now, 3.3. All of you have the textbook part.
Yes, sir.
3.3 now. What a brilliant exercise. Nariya questions from the mark is the biggest exercise. We have 25 questions in this mark. 25 questions. All the concepts will be covered here now, please. 1 to 4 mark. 1 to 4. Let us do some even questions or odd questions here. Okay. Remaining 2 questions, you do it as a homework. So we will do 25 are there. We will do all odd questions. You do the even questions, Marcus. Okay. I am doing odd questions, Marcus. You do the even questions. So question number 1, DS. Question number 1 is sin square pi by 6. Cos square pi by 3 minus tan square 1 pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Prove that, okay? Prove that. Prove that this is equal to minus 1 by 2. Yes. Come on. Remember, simple. I give you time. Please do it. Take the question now. I read the question number 1. We have started just 3.3. Sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 equal to minus 1 by 2. Prove that part. Take LHS and do it, please. I tell you once again, pi by 6 equal to 30 degree, pi by 3 equal to 60 degree, and pi by 4 equal to 45 degree. This you should remember. Is it over, ma?
Yes, sir.
All of you got minus 1 by 2? Friends, here you can tell me what are these components, ma? Sin pi by 6. cos pi by 3, tan pi by 4 ma. What is tan pi by 4? Tan 45. What is tan 45? 1. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. This also 1 by 2. Square panna, this become 1 by 4. Square panna is 1 by 4. Square panna is 1. So you can write this is called 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 square. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. This is called 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 minus 1. Minus is bigger, therefore minus 1 by 2 is the answer. I hope everybody got it. Okay, Bob. Let us do the next one. Vikas, is it clear, ma?
Sir, yes, sir, I can get the answer.
Okay, thank you. Question number 3 here. Question number 3 is also similar type mark. You switch off your, mute your mic, ma, please. Don't keep it in open. Only when you need it, you please unmute it. Plus cosec pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 equal to 6 yes. Okay, prove it as 6 now. Come on, take it. Yes, again, the components are here pi by 6 mark. Cot pi by 6, that is called cot 30. Cot 30 is 1 by root 3. So cot square will become 3 mark, which implies 3 mark. Okay? LHS. Right, LHS around now. Okay? I'm not writing it. 3 plus cosec pi by 6. Cosec pi by 6. It's very interesting. What is the difference between 5 and 6 mark?
1, sir.
That's all, yes. You can write pi minus pi by 6. My innovation cos 3 pi by 5 mark. It is called pi minus 2 pi by 5 mark. What is the difference mark? 2 pi by 5. What is the difference here? 1 pi by 6. How that is? What is the cosec pi minus theta mark, please? Cosec pi minus theta. Anybody? Whenever pi is there, it won't change. The second quadrant is positive mark. So it's the cosec theta ds. So what is theta here? Pi by 6. All of you understood, ma'am? So second one is cosec pi by 6. 3 tan square. Tan pi by 6 is what, ma'am? Root 3. 3 tan square pi by 6. Sir. Tan square pi by 6 will become 3 mark. So this is 1 by hey, tan pi by 6 and tan 30 there.
Yes, sir.
Tan 30 by root 3 mark. So square panna it become 1 by 3 mark. So this become 1. 3 plus 1 is cosec 30 mark. Sin 30 formula. Sin 30 or sin pi by 6 equal to 1 by 2. So cosec pi by 6 equal to 2 ds. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6 ma. That's all it is. Is it clear? Clear, boss? Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you taken Vikas?
Sir?
Have you taken my? Have you taken?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. See, my question number 5 is already we discussed it. Find the value of sin 75 and also tan 15 mark. A and B part. A is this one and B is this one. Okay? Very nothing to worry, ma. Please sin 75 ma 75 nam theriyadu pa. I can write sin 75 is, see ma, the rule is that express the unknown into knowns ma. Please write down this point ma. Express unknown into knowns. See now, you know what is 30 and 45. Sin 30 and sin 45, you know. Cos 30, for 30 and 45, you know the all trigonometric ratios. 75 clear. Therefore, the rule is express unknown into knowns. Friends, here sin 75 under can I write sin of 75 is nothing but 30 plus 45 years. All of you
Yes,
agree? And this I can say this is A and B mark. Let A equal to 30 degree and B equal to 45 degree. Yes. Becomes sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is sin A ma? Sin 30, right? Sin A is sin 30, that is 1 by 2. Sin B is sin 45, that is called 1 by root 2. Similarly, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Similarly, cos 45, sin 45 equal to cos 45 minus. Sin 30, cos 45, cos 30, sin 45. So, बच्चों का question mark. It's called 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 into 1 by root. This is one item, this is another item now. So, this is called 1 by 2 root 2 plus this is called root 3 by 2 root 2 now. What is the LCM, yes? LCM is 2 root 2 bar. And this is called 1 plus root 3 bar. Or in the convention to write big first and small later, nothing wrong when plus is there to write like this. This is called sin 75 mark. Sin 75 equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Is it clear, ma? Is equal to what, ma? Cos 15, ma. Please note down this. Is equal to cos 15. Sin 75. Sin what? Complement is what? Cos. 75 or complement is what? 15. Both of them are equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Do you agree?
yes, sir.
Nice. Friends, Nia, you can also try for what is cos 75. Can you tell please cos 75 degree is equal to sin 15? What is the answer for this, ma, please?
Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2.
Brilliant, ma, brilliant, ma. That's it. Sin 15 is smaller than cos 15, my dears. Paga, cos 15 is plus, sin 15 is minus. Over, yes, over, yes. Very interesting thing I tell ma, if theta is 45 degrees, sin theta equal to cos theta, dears. Yes or no? All of us know this, dears. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But I think you take this here so that fatafat, you don't require, I wrote so much, I could have completed in 1 or 2 steps. Somehow I became fanatic of writing too much nowadays. Not required this much. All of you are capable to understand even if I write directly, but anyway, just for sake of, kiddie type I did. Okay?
Sir? Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I have a small question. So, like, how did you? I mean, was it just logic, or is there some other thing behind you saying that sin 15 is equal to cos 15? I mean, just you have to reverse the signs. I mean, is that just logic?
Purila, once again, please come back. Slow. You speak very slow, okay?
Yes, sir. So you were saying that cos 15 is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root. I mean, so, yeah, cos 15 is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Then you were saying that sin 15 is just the reverse sign, right? Is that just logic or is there something else?
It's a logic only. You can do it also. You can do it and get the answer. But how to remember these things, okay? To remember, see, there is a fun here, right? Root 3 plus 1. Once I know this, I should buy one, get one free, Mr. Arpit.
Yes, sir.
Logic, ma, that's all. Otherwise, if you don't have any connectivity, right? You need to remember each one independently, right? We
Yes,
will
sir.
not have enough. We cannot retrieve it.
Yep.
We cannot retrieve it when you want. When you want, you don't get it, ma, please. You really hate mathematics if you start storing so many things.
Yes, sir.
When you start developing connections, you love mathematics. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. See this, what a beautiful logic, ma. Same numbers. And yes, I'm coming to that. I want to tell you one beautiful concept on the sine and cos relations, ma, please. I told in the 10th standard to these students, okay, some of my students. Theta is 45, sine theta is cos theta. All of you agree, ma?
Yes, sir.
And when theta is less than 45, who dominates whom? Sin theta and cos theta, what relation do you put? Theta equal to 45. Theta is less than 45, theta is more than 45. Yes. Now you tell me, what relation do you put here? Here. Is it equal, less than, or greater than? Please, here.
Less than, sir.
Brilliant answer. Sin theta is less than cos theta. You take sin 30 and cos 30. What is sin 30, ma? 1 by 2, 0.5. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. 1.76 by 1.73 by 2. That's called 0.8 something, okay? 0.5 here and 0.8 here. So below 45, sin 30, sin theta is less than cos theta, ma, please. Below 45, below 45. This is called 45 ma. This is called 90. At 45, they both coincide. Understand, my dears. 45 dears at 45 degree at x equal to 40. Theta is 45. At theta is 45. Both of them are having same value. That is called 1 by root 2. This is called 1. You please see here. This is 45. 45 before 1, this is cos ma, this is cos theta, this is sin theta ma. Who is below ma? Sin theta is below cos theta. That is what I mean. Sin theta is smaller. You are able to see, dears. All of you able to see? This is the sin theta, dears. This is cos theta, dears. Cos theta is above sin theta or not, ma, please?
Yes, sir.
Preeti, clear?
Yes, sir.
Nice. At the same time, now you go beyond 45 ma, 45 to 90 par ma. This is cos, dears. This is cos. This is sin ma par ma. So sin is above. Therefore, sin theta is more. பாருங்க ஒரே ஒரு 40 degree வச்சிட்டு மூணு ரிலேஷன் இருக்கு பாருங்க. At 45 both are same, they coincided dears. Below 45 sin is smaller. எதுக்குன்னா 0 to 90 cos is decreasing function. Top linda கீழே வருதுமா. So it's a bigger in the beginning ma. So below 45 sin is smaller than cos. Above 45 sin is bigger than cos. What a brilliant rule ma. அதனாலதா please cos 15 degree and sin 15 degree. Now what do you say ma, please? Who is bigger ma here? What relation do you put between these two ma, please?
Cost will be greater, sir.
Greater, brilliant. That's all ma, please. So below 45 sin theta smaller or cos theta is bigger. That's all. Cos 15. That's why yes, this is called root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, and this is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. You know who is bigger, right? Yes or no? You need not do the number. What is decimal? All the nonsense doesn't require. Is it plus irukadhu jaasti, is minus irukadala kammi. That's all it is. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Somebody joined Jeevit, I think. Yeah, Jeevit. Jeevit, ennappa, you are coming. Your class is over late or what? Jeevit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you able to see video, ma? Jeevit Babu? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Carry on. Right. Parva, how beautiful it is. Concept, Parva, please. Theta is 45, sin is cos, theta is less than 45, sin is less than cos, theta is more than 45, sin is more than cos. Wow, like in the Madhama and the relations, please, you need to understand the table. Strongly, you should understand the table, yes. And the graphs, how beautiful graph it is. Okay, now a chinna question, please. Let us see. How many of you will answer this one? I didn't put degree here. Please understand this. When it's not put degree, it's not degree. You tell me what relation do you put here, ma, please, in between the cos 1 and sin 1? Sin 1 and cos 1, yes. Is it degree or radian, ma? 1 under the degree or radian, yes?
Radian.
Radian, sir.
Radian. So what relation do you put? எதுக்குமா 57 தானே 1 radian is equal to what? 57 degree. 57 means more than 45. Why should you worry? It's more than
Sign
45.
will be greater.
That's all. That's
Greater
all.
than.
Correct. Come on, come on. See this, ma. See this, ma. What a beautiful. That's all, ma. Idha ma. JE enna idha pa. JE is not a big deal, please. JE enna kuncham ulla povodha. You need to get inside each concept, okay? Chumma table terinja mudiyaduma. Please, table kulla poganum. What is increasing function? What is decreasing function? Below 45, above 45, how they are related. At 45, how they are related. Actually, we need to expose to the questions for this. If you expose to the questions, you understand the concept well, man. Without question, without proper question, question has to trigger the concept, ma, please. Concept, we don't have the art of making a question. We are incapable. Teachers are incapable. Our system is incapable to make the student and teacher to make the questions on their own. That's our problem. So, namak enna problem? We don't make the questions. Questions are ready-made. The idea is that we should also make the questions. Yes, concept is great, no doubt. Once you know the concept, if that is supplemented by a good question, the matching will happen. Okay, then one will beautify the other one, please. The concept beautify the problem beautify the concept. Innu adala concept you other dimension you will see it when you solve a good question, please. I hope what I am saying is it a rubbish or is it a reasonable one, please? Yes. Shall I rub it, ma, over?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Guys, next question, ma, please. So you try the other one, ma, okay? Whatever I have not done, you please try it. Tan 15, ma. I already told what is the answer for tan 15 ds. Can anybody tell now what is tan 15 value? Sin 15 by cos 15. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is sin 15 value? Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 whole divided by root 3 plus 1 by. Array, come on. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Go for rationalization, my dears. Sorry, root 3 minus 1 multiply pannunga. The denominator will become rationalized and root 3 plus 1, root 3 minus 1 is 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 the whole square. That's called 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 by 2 ds. That's called 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2 ds. Take 2 common. 2 minus root 3 by 2 ma. So the tan 15 equal to 2 minus root 3. That is called cot 75. I did already, ma. Do you remember? Friends, again, tan 75 ma. What is tan 75 years? Anybody?
2 plus root 3.
That's the beauty. Arpit, you are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Idima, this is called buy one get, sir. But how do I know that tan 15? I am asking independently questions. You have done it now. You will say tan 15 is 2 minus root 3. But I will have a confusion. Tan 15 and tan 75. Friends, 15. Tan is the increasing function. Bigger the angle, bigger the value. So tan 15 is smaller than tan 75. Tan 75 is 2 plus root 3, tan 15 is 2 minus root 3. Smaller and bigger. That's how one should understand, my dears.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, see, I wrote tan 15 value. Now saying tan 75 is 2 plus root 3 because you already catch my point. But when you are asked both the questions, you should have some logic. 2 and root 3 you should remember, okay? But 2 and root 3 should be connected with minus for smaller, or plus for bigger, but we should know whether tan 15 is bigger or tan is an increasing function, yes. Tan is an increasing function, just like sine. Cos is a decreasing function, that's why that fellow act erratically. In the beginning, decreasing function means what? Beginning it will be bigger, later it become smaller, correct? So, smaller angle, smaller value. Bigger angle, bigger value. Aha. What a beautiful thing. Clear, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next one is, if let us see from 6 to 10, 6 to 10 or 6 to 11, 6 to 11. So we will do, okay, let's go slow, no hurry, okay, no hurry. You must be very, very thorough in these questions. If you want extra questions, I will give from other books. You can drill on the concepts. More problems you do it, see, immediately once the class is over, you should find at least 15 to 20 minutes. You should do at least 1 or 2 questions from the day's topic. Please remember this. That's where you could see the progress. That's where you could see a relation between your work and marks. If you want to transform your work into marks, you have to follow systematic, logical approach. Logical approach, smart thinking, better output. Good output you have to generate from your work. What I learned. Systematic approach. You should never be happy with yourself. Please understand this. The style of understanding of me, subject, understanding the subject for anybody is not final. There is no right, the best way to understand the concepts or understand the subject of this. Best never, we have not received it. We are not in the best mode. Please understand this. Eppadi and the best will come only through constant practice, better practice, smart practice. Okay, I'm talking too much. I'll go for. Yes. Look at question number 6. Namma, please, when we were in that school, when we were in the school, all these students, they used to give in the evening, they used to produce their homework. Brilliantly, they used to submit. Namma classes level, and the Palakam only Kavipriya is doing it. Because she used to that. Ninga, I know that you will have a school work, you will have this and tough. I know that it's tough. One question, one question. At least I want to see your handwriting, yes. See, we are not seeing you. We are not seeing your face. We are not talking directly. I have not seen your handwriting. You don't submit the homework. Then what is happening here? Whatever I am teaching, how do I know that it is reaching? Please, you do that. Just I want to see your handwriting at least. Okay, your approach, your style of writing, your presentation. All these things matters. Okay, I can understand you better and better, please. Innu namma nalla class nalla edukradhukku vandu vaayippu irukku, please. Try to understand that. Please submit every day one problem at least in the WhatsApp group. Group kondu please give a respect. Say yes, all of you, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At least one question, please. Now, one question, please. I am not asking you to submit everything. If you can submit everything and even extra questions, I salute you, yes. I salute you. It's a great work. I know. I don't want to torture you, please, because schoolwork, this may be there. I don't know. Okay, but if you want to do it, you can do it. And I don't force you, but at least one question every day one question the exercise 3.3 பண்றவங்க ஏதாவது ஒரு question நீங்க போட்டு பாருங்க please and submit to me, post it in the group, yes. Don't worry, somebody may do all questions, but you at least do one question. I want to see your handwriting, I want to see your understanding style, okay, your presentation, everything will matter, please, for me. Okay, I will say that please let me see your handwriting at least, right? Okay, let's go for question number 6. What is the time, Kavi?
7:28, sir.
Oh, so okay, right. இன்னும் ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம் எடுக்கல பார்க்கலாம். 6th question now. Cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equals to sin of x plus y and prove pannoppa, please. Come on. You are able to see the question mark clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I hope it is clear, right? Friends, here you can think, if you look at your LHS, this is your LHS, yes, and this is your RHS, please. This is your LHS, yes. In the LHS, if you take this is cos of a minus b, you will have a difficult time, yes. Not difficult time, not advisable, ma. Cos of a minus b, you will be in this. You take cos of a minus b, you will be in a wrong, you will be in a difficult mode, ma. You will be in difficult mode. Whereas you just keep observing them. This is the angle, ma. This is the angle. This is the angle, ma. Same angle and the same angle. Therefore, you take this as a b, cos a, cos b minus sin a. Say, same a. Aha. Oho. B. B. So, what is your LHS, Preeti? Tell me. Cos a, cos b minus sin a, sin b. Do you agree here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the formula of this arctic? Cos a, cos b minus sin a, sin b. What is the formula?
Cos A plus B.
Once again.
Cos A plus B.
Brilliant. Cos of a plus b. Minus becomes plus. Aha. Sin follows the sin. Sin follows the sin. Cos does not follow. That's why cos minus become plus. Friends, who is a, ma? A is pi by 4 minus x and b is what, ma? Pi by 4 minus y, ds. Come on, write it here. Cos of a, pi by 4 minus x, b, pi by 4 minus y. Do you agree? All of you say.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
Yes. Very nice. Cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4 enama. Two repeat ma. 2 times it is 2 into pi by 4. What is that? Pi by 2 minus 6 minus 5. Do you agree? Take minus common here. What is cos pi by 2 minus theta, dears? Come on, tell me, dears. One of you, please.
Sin theta.
Or once again.
Sin theta, sir.
Brilliant, sir. Thank you. So, friends, this is cos pi by 2 minus theta, mind. Okay? Cos pi by 2 minus theta is what? Sin theta. Sin of x plus y, dears. That's what is the. Wow. See that. See that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Take it, pa. Take it. What a brilliant question, ma. If you take cos pi by 4 minus cos of a minus b, then you will expand each one, ma. Now expand panapa. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will get the answer at the end. But before that, you will be tired. Okay. Cos pi by 4 minus x is cos of a. Cover kadiyadu, ma. Cover kadiyadu, but it's a long process, yes. Difficult mode. Difficult. Clear, ma? Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Shall I go for the next one, please? Yeah. You please look at question number. All are same models, ma, please. All are same models. You try them. It's a brilliant one. One more question I want to tell you, please. One more concept I'll tell you. Please, I share a bit because. Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Jeevit is not there. Okay, Jeevit is not there. Okay, go. Friends, இது வந்து ரொம்ப சூப்பரான ஒரு கான்செப்ட் மா ப்ளீஸ் இன்டைரக்ட் I mean it's a derived concept here. We know what is tan of a plus b. Can anybody tell please what is tan of a plus b, Preeti? Yesterday you were there, no, ma? Preeti. What is tan of a plus b, dear? Because
Sir,
there is no need of sir now. Tell the answer. Tan of a plus b formula.
sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, I'll say, sir, 1 minute.
Search in the book, okay? Search in the notebook, my dear. Search in the notebook, Mr. Vikas. That's why you are telling 1 minute. Come on, Kavi.
Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B.
That's it. This is the logic, ma. This is the logic, ma, please. We have to write
Sir,
each.
I'll say for A minus B, sir. See, tan A minus B.
Tan of a plus b formula is plus, ma. Tan follows the sign minus. Plus. Denominator is minus. Okay, clear? Friends, tan pi by 4 plus a சொல்லுமா இப்போ formula please. இது a இது b மா. a பதில் pi by 4 போடுங்க, b பதில் a போடுங்கமா please. ஓகேவா? What do you get? Can you tell me?
Tan pi by 4 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan a.
Aha, brilliant. What is tan pi by 4?
1, sir.
1 plus tan a by 1 minus, what is tan pi? Again 1. Wow, look at this, dears. What a brilliant formula. Tan pi by 4 plus a. Illana ninga tan 45 plus a, because our friend is degree. Our friend is a degree, ma. Please watch here, dears. What a beautiful one, ma. Please. Tan pi by 4 minus a. Can anybody tell the formula now? Buy one, get one free.
1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a.
Aha, see this. See this. This is Sarpit, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the beauty of trigonometry, ma, please. This is the beauty, please. So, அடுத்த கொஸ்டின்ல வந்து யூஸ் ஆகும். அதனால இந்த கான்செப்ட் சொல்றமா நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க please. So, you complete my, if possible, you complete 3.3. I don't say anything, but you work out. It's a brilliant exercise, ma, please. Okay? I think we'll wind up now. Enough, okay? Because we are taking everyday class. 1 hour is more than enough time. Time is 7:30, ma. So shall I now wind up, please? Thank you very much. Try
Thank
all
you, sir.
questions. Try all questions, ma. Please, at least up to 10 you try it and send, ma. Okay? The homework is this, ma. Homework is 3.3, 1 to 10, ma. I asked 10 questions, okay? Please try them, all 10, okay? 1 to 10. Don't say that, sir, you have done first question, so I will do second question. Do all, okay? Please, that's a good practice is required, okay? Each question will convey some good message to us, okay? Right? All the best. Thank you. God bless you. See you tomorrow again, same time. Keep working, keep understanding math better.